Good morning students, myself UK Singh, science teacher at ISL Munindi Dhanbad. Today we will going to continue with the same chapter of class 7, that is light. The next topic is images formed by the lenses. So what exactly is the lens? Lens is a uh, transparent object through which light passes through it. That means there is no reflection of light. The light simply passes through it. Okay, it is a curved surface. Now based upon the nature of the curvature, the lenses are of two types, or the shapes they have. The lenses are two types: convex lens and concave lens, as you can see in figure 15.22. So this is a convex lens. That means the two outer surface are bulging outwards. Okay, on the other hand, the concave lens have this depressing end on the both sides. Okay, there is a you can say there is a concave part, that means it is the depression, and here is the elevation, both sides. So based upon that, the nature of images found by these lenses are quite different. First of all, let us talk about convex lens. So we are all familiar with the convex lens, the magnifying lens we use, or you can say the magnifying lens used by a in general purpose. Okay, is a convex lens. Okay, it is used to magnify the object. Now how does the nature of images changes? Now let us first start with the convex lens. So the nature of image formed by the convex lens depends upon the distance. When the distance is closer, as seen in the figure 15.26, then the distance is closer, the image form will be larger, erect. Okay, the image will be erect, larger than the object, and in that case the image will be virtual. Okay, when we increase the distance, increase the distance of the object from the lens, the image formed will be inverted and real. As you can see in the experiment, the candle is acting as an object, the lens is kept behind, and a screen behind it, like the white cardboard. So this actually signifies the nature of image formed by the convex lens. So when the distance is less, then the image will be larger than the object and larger, virtual and erect. When the distance increases, then the image form will be inverted and real. Okay, moving to the next lens, that is the concave lens. And concave lens, the image form will, most of the time the image form will be you can see the image form will be always erect. Okay, and the image form will always be erect and virtual. Okay, as you can see in figure 15.26, virtual image formed by convex lens, and the image formed by the concave lens. Okay, so these are different. The image formed by the convex lens will be always virtual and erect. Okay, always virtual and erect. Moving to the next topic, that is the sunlight, white or colored. So the sunlight appears white, but actually it is a combination of 7 colors, which is known as wave figure: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So why it doesn't appear? Okay, it appears during certain phenomenon like the rainbow. So you must be familiar with the term rainbow, how rainbow is formed. We will try to understand this. Okay, before that we have to perform a small experiment on prism. Prism is a, you can say, triangular lens, three-dimensional structure. Okay, when the light is passed through the uh, prism, it gets splitted into 7 colors. That means a white light consists of combination of 7 colors. When it passes through the curvature of the lens in the form of prism, it gets split into 7 colors. Figure certain phenomenon, this phenomenon is the dispersal of color is observed naturally in the rainbows. Now in what happens here, the water droplets in the atmosphere acts as a prism. Okay, and whenever the sunlight passes through it, it gets split into 7 colors. So the 7 colors, when get splitted into individual colors, we can see the different kind of colors, but when the 7 colors are combined into one, it appears as a white color. To demonstrate this activity, let us perform one activity. Now take a circular cardboard disc about 10 centimeter in diameter and place it different colors like we do in a in a pie chart. So thus divide it into 5 to 6 components, or preferably 7 components as in white light, and put it over axis or made of stick or anything like that. Okay, now try to move the disc, okay, on its axis. As it moves swiftly, okay, then what happens? It will appear as white. Okay, that simply means that these individual colors, that is the 7 colors, have been combined into one, gives white light, and when they get splitted or dispersed, produces 7 individual colors. That is Vivgyor. Okay, so till then what we have studied in this chapter, we have studied that we studied about the nature of images formed by the plane mirror, convex mirror, concave mirror, convex lens, concave lens. We've already described it. Okay, we also studied about the different applications of the lenses and the mirrors in our day-to-day life. And the last part of the chapter, we studied about the disperser of colors, how the white light gets split into 7 colors. Okay, after you get the video, the class group will be open for all of you to ask your doubts. Thank you.